Hi guys, today we are starting recording for the HTVRONT's big spring sale. It is the HTVRONT Fans Carnival. This is their second anniversary sale and it will be the biggest sales event they have had and the biggest event for this spring. So the sale itself will be from April 16th to April 12th. I will put all my links and everything down below in the description box for you. You're going to get up to 50% off a variety of products this time. There's going to be special selections with bigger discounts than ever. And there's going to be a bonus, possibly something free that can be expected. So everything will be in the link down below. In this video, I'm going to unbox the samples that they sent me, or are sending me. And I have this package, which I believe is the promo package for those of us participating in promotion, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up today. And then tomorrow, the samples will be here. So I will open those up and let's see what we've got. This one says 10 feet of holographic adhesive. This one says holographic adhesive. This one says 10 by 15 glitter something. And this one says 10 by 16 glitter something. So apparently lots more vinyl. Let's find out. I do know on my next order there is in my sample selections, there is one roll of vinyl coming. It's the specialty vinyl, so we'll see. Okay, so this is a very large roll of red. Glitter HTV is what this is. So, very large roll. I'm assuming this is going to be another glitter HTV. Oh, this one's pretty. This one's gold. Gold glitter HTV. These are actually like perfect for Christmas season. We'll see what's in this little guy. Oh, this is pretty. So this is holographic adhesive vinyl. Looks to be an opal, 12 inches by 5 feet. I'm sorry if you can hear my pellet stove in the background. Hopefully it'll settle down in a second. But yep, this is a permanent adhesive and it is the very shimmery pink opal holographic. Love it. This is like the orangey sunset version, so slightly different. This one's more towards orange, this one's more towards pink at first glance, but absolutely perfect for summer projects. Hi guys, it's Ray again. The rest of my HTVRONT order showed up literally on my way to work last night. I was trying to back out of my driveway and FedEx pulled in and blocked me in, and so I grabbed the package from him and I didn't want to leave it in the car because we're still getting cold at night and I didn't want anything to freeze, so I brought it in with me and now I'm on my lunch break. So we are going to do a quick lunch break unboxing. So these are my samples. we call them samples, but they're full-size orders, or full-size products. This is just a generic box, but this is just like a white glitter vinyl. I'm just going to try and unroll it a little bit so you can see it. I don't know if you can get any of the glitter. But the intent with this is that you can cut to your shape and apply this first, remove the transfer, and then sublimate over the top of the glitter. So that is going to be the goal with that, and we will try that on a dark colored shirt because it is white. So that is that. This is going to be, this is stickered wrong. It also says heat transfer vinyl. It's not. Is epoxy pigment. This should just be a black. So this is just a black pigment. This should be chameleon micas, and it is. So let's see what they look like. There's chameleon powder. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, and red. Green, blue, and purple. You can definitely see all three colors. Rose, gold, and green. Golden, green, and blue. And then this one is purple, blue, and red. So these and the black pigment we're going to use together. And I also have, they couldn't send me a sample of their epoxy, but I did go on Amazon and order some of their epoxy. So we're going to do, using this, the black pigment, and their epoxy, and their UV resin, because I already have that also. We're going to go ahead and do the dewdrop, water drop technique in a set of alphabet keychains. So, is a set of the epoxy pigments in 24 colors. We might already have this set. This is one of those sets that comes with the little pokers to open the bottles. But it's an entire rainbow set of pigments. I don't utilize my pigments near enough, and I'm going to try and start using some more of them a little bit more. So we may do some molds just to test out some of the pigments. So I went out and got the mail, and I have a mystery box, and I think maybe I know what it is, but I don't know because I didn't have anything scheduled. So I'm gonna open it up, and if it's what I'm thinking, I will say when I get it open, and I will put it in. Yes, I can already tell by the packaging. So when HTVRONT was setting up this fans carnival, they said there would be a promotional box. It was running behind. This is the promotional box. This is something special that they make and send to the people they work with. So let's see if I can get it out of here. I thought that maybe the very first part of this video where I had the opal holographic vinyl and stuff, that maybe that was the promotional items because they weren't part of my order per se. But she told me when I asked about it that that was actually stuff from HTVRONT's eBay section, which I didn't even know they had. So, but this is something special that they made just for us. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. They always come in some kind of cool box. So, HTVRONT Fans Carnival 2nd Anniversary Sale, April 6th to the 12th. This is a kind of cool card. It's printed on like a metallic sheen. Really outstanding, never temporary. This is just some promotional information about their heat presses. So, there's that. Oh, this is fun. This came out of its little spot. I do have another pin of theirs somewhere. I can see it from here. But it's got a little collector's pin. That'll go with my other pins. It's got this adorable little squiddy guy. It's got an apple. Tomato, apple, tomato, pumpkin. Cute. And it's got some, I'm gonna say HTV, yes. So it's got a couple sheets of HTV in it. 2 sheets of the rose gold. We like that. And let's see what the card says. A little handwritten note from my rep, Cassie. Oh, and look at that card. That is a beautiful card. So, that is just a little something extra they sent us. I like that the card could be sent to somebody else if you wanted to. Look at how that seals. Isn't that just so cute? So, thank you, Cassie and HTVRONT. I appreciate it. I always love the little goodies. I don't think I showed the last promotional box they sent, but this was just a little something extra, a little surprise in my box today. So,